With this year's choice between 11 and 12.9 being harder than ever, the only real way that you're going to be able to decide definitely for yourself is to go to the store and try them. Now, if you are wanting to do work professionally on these, and I mean replace your laptop, then like I said in the previous video, the 12.9 is the only way to go. Spec it up to a terabyte if you want for that extra 6 gigabytes. But for a laptop replacement, you're going to be wanting the 12.9. Now, let's just say that you've been to the store and you have summarized once and for all that 11 is your preference because you are a traveler and this is going to be in your bag with you at all times. Then there's two things that you need to do with the 11. 64 gigabytes is going to be fine on the 11, but go to 256 gigs if you just want to play the safe card. Don't go any higher than that. It just isn't worth it because you're not trying to replace your laptop with the 11. It's a companion device. There's no reason to go for that 1 terabyte for the 6 gig on the 11 inch. Also, get the cellular. The cellular on the 11 makes so much more sense because, again, you've picked the 11 because you want it as your travel device. Now, why do you need cellular if you plan on tethering to your phone? Well, tethering to your phone is just a pain, but there's another good reason, and that is that cellular brings GPS radio. Now, a lot of cars these days, like the Teslas, have very nice navigation systems, but a lot of the older cars don't. What you could do, if you've got the smaller size, you've got your cellular, you could mount it in your car and have it running your map system for you, which the Wi-Fi is going to struggle with because it doesn't have the GPS radio inside. So the 11, it's your travel buddy, it's your companion, it's with you all the time. You're basically going to use it as a big phone. Get the 64 or the 256 and get cellular. The 12.9, that's a different story. That's your pro device. That's the one that you're really going to want. Put the storage on it, put the terabyte if you want to go up to that 6 gigs, and that's what you are going to be trying to use as your laptop replacement, if that's the case. But if you really want the be-all and end-all of the iPad Pro, the 12.9 this year is the one. But if it is just to go in a bag, in a purse, but you still want that mega power of what these iPads are now offering, do yourself a favour. If you're going to get the 11, slap cellular with it as well. And as usual, guys, it's been emotional.